Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Word of Arabic. Today, we are officially starting the first module, that is the introduction to the Arabic language. So let's get started. So you would be wondering why we have to learn the Arabic language. So let's understand why is it necessary. This is the language of Quran. Learning Arabic helps kids read and understand the Holy Book of Islam. More than 400 million people speak Arabic in many different countries. Arabic uses a unique alphabet that looks like beautiful flowing art. Speaking Arabic helps you make friends with children from all over the world. Many important scientific discoveries and historic stories were originally written in Arabic. And last but not the least, the Arabic language is mostly suitable for the poetry. So you can learn and sing together. So here are first three letters of Arabic, that is Alif, Ba, and Tha. I can introduce you these three friends. So now the first letter, Alif, it's like a stick. Then Ba is like a boat. Tha is like a table. So you can correlate the shape of these letters with these pictures. So pronounce with me together. Alif, Ba, Ta. So Alif for Asad. Repeat after me. Alif is for Asad. Asad means lion. Ba is for Bab. Bab means door. Ta is for Tuffah. Tuffah means apple. So let's try to trace these letters together. So first letter is Alif. So how to draw it? So you just pick a magic pencil and start from the top and trace it down, and it becomes Alif. Then you have Ba. You just start from the right, take a left turn, move forward, and go a little bit up, okay? And then give a small dot at the bottom. So it becomes Ba. Then you have Ta. Similar to Ba, first make the base, starting from the right, taking the left turn, move forward, go a little bit higher, and that's done. Then give two dots on the top. Okay? So Ba has one dot at the bottom and Ta has two dots on the top. So congratulations, you have learned how to write these three letters together. Okay?